Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the folder you are having problem with and select properties. Select security tab and select the advanced option. Select change. Select advanced. Select find now. And now in this list you need to select your username guys. If you don't know your username, then you just need to select on the start icon. Here you can able to see your username guys. In my case Ajay MP. After knowing that, you just need to go back and find your username over here. As you can see my username listed over here. After selecting your username, you just need to select OK. Select OK again and check mark this replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then select apply. Select OK. Now select OK. Now you need to select edit option over here under group or usernames. Now select add. Select advanced. Select find now. Now in here you just need to select your username guys. Already we selected and select OK. Select OK. Now you just need to select your username over here and then you just need to make sure the full control is checked and after that select apply and OK for save changes. Select apply and OK for save changes and now you can delete the folder without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.